Hi, Williams. Good to see you. It's been a long time. Yes, Mr. Wealth. Your office looks so nice. Thank you so much. It's the power of wealth, you know. And that's why I'm here, Mr. Wealth. I must be honest, I'm battling with financial freedom. Hey, calm down. That's why you are here. But I can't give you my money, but can only teach you to make money. I understand, Mr. Wealth. I just need some financial secrets from you. Okay, I just have few financial secrets to tell you before I leave for a business conference in New York.
And I don't have much time left.
Please, Mr. Wealth, tell me whatever it is. I will passionately achieve something big with it. Okay, but before we proceed, have you subscribed to my channel? No. Subscribe to my channel so you can watch more Wealth Secrets videos we will discuss in the conference. I will subscribe because I wouldn't want to miss out. Hello, viewers. Kindly stay to the end of this video as we are about to unveil the secret to success the rich don't tell you. It's all about bold moves and calculated risks. Everything I want to say now is nothing but the true secrets to wealth. In finance, there's a concept called wealth mindset, which suggests that the way you view money and wealth directly impacts your financial success. One key aspect of this mindset is projecting the image of wealth to attract more financial opportunities. Here's how buying cheap things can hinder this and why looking rich can actually help in attracting wealth. I never really thought about it like that, Mr. Wealth. I've always tried to save by buying cheaper things. Well, here are 5 concrete reasons why buying cheap things can actually keep you stuck, and how buying higher quality items can expose you to greater wealth and success. 1. Perception of success. People often judge success by appearance. If you're always opting for the cheapest things, it can unintentionally send a message that you're not serious about your future. When you invest in quality, you signal to others that you are financially responsible and focused on long-term success. You see, doors to opportunities, whether they're high-paying jobs or powerful networks, are often opened by the way you present yourself. If you present an image of success through quality products, you're more likely to attract higher-paying clients, investors, or business partners. So it's about making sure I look like I have it together, even if I'm still working on it? Exactly! It's about aligning your image with your aspirations, not just for show, but to set the tone for what you want to achieve. Number 2 secret is surround yourself with quality people. In the world of finance, there's a saying, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, it's the same with the things you buy. If you're surrounding yourself with cheap, low-quality items, it can reinforce a limiting mindset. You may start to think small or focus on short-term gains. On the other hand, when you invest in quality products, even if they are more expensive, they encourage a mindset of growth. You start to see the bigger picture and focus on long-term wealth and success. This is an eye-opener. So if I'm always surrounded by quality, I'll start to think in a bigger, more successful way? Yes! High-quality items remind you of what's possible and keep you striving for more. And number 3 is attracting the right opportunity. Looking successful doesn't mean flaunting wealth, but it does mean presenting yourself in a way that attracts other financially successful people. When you invest in quality, whether it's a well-tailored suit, and a professional piece of technology, or even a well-maintained car, it shows others that you value yourself and your time. This attracts potential partners, clients, and investors who share the same mindset. You'd be surprised at how many doors open when you show that you are serious about your own success. It's not just about the things themselves, but how those things make me look to others. That's what I'm telling you. People are more likely to connect with you if they perceive you as someone who is already successful and serious about growing your wealth. And number 4, investing in yourself. One of the biggest pitfalls of buying cheap things is that people often neglect investing in themselves. Cheap items may seem like a bargain, but they can distract you from investing in areas that matter, like education, self-improvement, or professional development. To attract wealth, you need to focus on building long-term value in yourself, whether it's taking courses, attending seminars, or improving your skill set. This is the kind of investment that truly pays off. You mean I should be looking to invest in things that improve my knowledge? Exactly. It's not just about saving and spending on unnecessary things, Mr. Wealth. It's about investing in skills. Thank you. Cheers to our success, to our wealth. Now, let's go on, William, before you continue with your drink. Quality investments in yourself are what differentiate the wealthy from those stuck in a cycle of just getting by. And here is number 5. Mindset shift, from scarcity to abundance. Lastly, constantly opting for cheap things can keep you in a scarcity mindset. You're always thinking about how to save, which limits your ability to think about growth and expansion. When you start making higher quality purchases, smart investments that align with your goals, it forces you to think in terms of abundance and growth. This shift in mindset opens up more opportunities for you to make bigger moves, take calculated risks, and build a true wealth portfolio. It's about changing how I think about money and spending? Absolutely, Williams. It's a fundamental shift in how you view wealth. When you stop focusing on scarcity and start investing in quality, you'll see that wealth follows naturally. Buying quality things is not spending more, it's about positioning myself for success. Exactly, Williams. It's about setting yourself up for the wealth and opportunities you deserve. When you invest in quality and present yourself as someone who values success, you start attracting the kind of wealth that comes with hard work, growth, and the right mindset. I've got it now. It's not just saving money, it's making the right investments to align with my future success. Mr. Wealth, I appreciate this.
My pleasure, William.
What do you have to say to the viewers out there? Subscribe to Mr. Wealth's channel and stay updated always. And don't miss the opportunity my subscribers get every weekend.